Good morning, my respected teachers and my friends. I am Ashmeet Kaur from Government Model Senior Secondary School, Gidrawali, and today I am here for my project on our environment. Firstly, Happy Environment Day to all. I wish that you all are safe at your homes. I want to tell you something about Environment Day. Firstly, 5th June is celebrated as Environment Day every year across the world, and people perform the activities to promote a environment like planting the trees, cleaning their surroundings, saving water, and rescuing the animals. I want to say that we should perform these activities whole year so that our environment can be saved. We should not only perform these activities on a particular day. So let's come upon a topic. So today's my topic is our environment. I have made this project on my topic our environment. Let's show you the project. I have made this project on our environment. My project is made up with the waste things like cardboard, paint colors, and old books from which I have cut out the pictures to paste here. My project depicts the things we should do to save our environment. These are saving the water, planting more and more trees, rescuing the animals, polluting less, using less vehicles. We should walk more. We should use dustbins instead of throwing garbage here and there. I have also prepared a file on Environment Day on the topic of flora and fauna along with a poster. I will also show you my file and my poster. So let's see. This is my file on our environment, and my topic is flora and fauna means plants and our animals. So firstly, I have written about our environment on the occasion of Environment Day. An environment is everything that is around us, which includes the both non-living and living things. Environment plays important role in the existence of life on a planet. An ecosystem refers to the all living and non-living things present in the environment, and it is the foundation of the biosphere which determines the health of entire planet Earth. So we should save our environment. Next, it is the starting of my topic. Firstly, I am having the index, in which firstly I am having the acknowledgement, after that definition of flora and fauna. After that, I am having the flora and fauna in India. After that, I will tell you the facts of different spices in India, and at last, I am having my bibliography. After that, I will show you my poster. In this acknowledgement, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teachers who gave me golden opportunity to perform this project on flora and fauna. On next page, I am having the introduction. Here, the biodiversity is the immensely rich in wildlife and cultivated species and diverse in the form and function, but the species and wildlife are closely interrelated in a system through multiple networks of interdependencies. Human along with all other complex web of ecological system. The plants and animals and microorganisms recreate the quality of air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil that produce our food. On this page, I have pasted the picture of flora and fauna, and based on the forest and wildlife resources. Next page, I am having the definitions of flora. The flora comes from the Latin word flora, the goddess of plants, flowers, and the fertility in the Roman mythology. Flora is the plant life occurring in a particular region or time. On this side, I have pasted some pictures of flora means plant life. On next page, I am having the definition of fauna. Fauna comes from the Latin word fauna, a Roman goddess of the earth and the fertility. Roman god Faunus and the related forest spirits are called fanes. The term was first used by Carius Linnaeus in 1745. On this side, I have the classification of fauna. like Porifera, Nematoda, Annelida, vertebrates, arthropods, mollusca, and Protochordata. And the pictures of the animals. Here I am having some information about flora in India. India is one of world's richest countries in the term of vast array of biological diversity and has nearly 8% of total number of species in the world. Next, I am having the information about fauna in India. India has three biodiversity hotspots: the Western Ghats, Himalayas, and the Indo-Burma region. These hotspots have numerous endemic species. Here I have pasted the picture of endangered, threatened animals and some pictures of fauna found in India. Next, I am having the ecosystem and biome. I have told you about ecosystem in the starting. Now let's talk about biome. A very large ecosystem on a land having distinct animal life is called biome. Next, I am having the type of species like normal, endangered, and vulnerable. Here I have pasted their definitions along with the pictures. On the next page, I am having some more species like rare, endemic, and extinct species. I have pasted the picture of some extinct and endemic species here. At last, I am having my bibliography, means from where I have got the information about my project. I got information from YouTube, Google, Chrome, teachers, and my parents. At last, I am showing you my poster on saving our environment. We should save our earth by planting trees, saving water, using the dustbins, cleaning our surroundings, and using less vehicles and pollute less our environment. So, thank you and have a nice day.